Hi, I am Subha, and in this video I will show you how to find winning Amazon KDP niches fast using the power of AI and Helium 10. My name is Subha and I will walk you through this complete process step by step. Make sure to watch this video till the very end. I am really excited about this process because this makes it really easy for me to pick the right niche. It also gives me a lot of other niche ideas or book ideas that I can use to dominate the niche. I have extracted or analyzed the data using Helium 10 and gave that data to ChatGPT and it gave me these ratings. Like you can see, demand is 7 out of 10, competition is 8 out of 10, review barrier is 9 out of 10, and revenue potential is 7 out of 10, ease of entry is 8 of 10, and overall is 8 of 10, and that's really useful for a low content or medium content book. I will break down the exact process step by step, so make sure you watch the video till the very end. If you want to follow along and try Helium 10 yourself, they are currently offering 35% off for 6 months on their platinum plan. You can check out very fast link in the description below. Let me close this. The tool inside Helium 10 I am using is Crebro plus magnet. You can go to products and here you can access this Crebro plus magnet. And after that, in the search bar I type logbook. You can type any broad keyword like coloring book, puzzle book, and then click on get keyword ideas. It will show you all the keyword ideas. You can also check the historical trend if you want to. Here it will show you the total keywords, organic keyword, and the paid. These are a lot of keywords. I am using some filters to narrow down by search process. Minimum search volume 500, maximum competing products 3000, and the match type I selected organic plus smart complete. I unchecked the remaining one. So based on this data, it showed me 16 filtered keyword. I can also sort these by search volume or keyword sales. The other useful feature is search volume trend. It also gives you trending keywords. You can also use this. I actually use this keyword sales filter and I check this keyword inventory logbook. If you click on this arrow, it will open in new tab. It shows me that this keyword has over 1000 results and it looks apparently less competitive. But when you check this out, you may find that inventory logbook is highly competitive. To solve this problem, I just went ahead and I just checked the actual listings on this page and I found this keyword, that is multipurpose logbook. I searched this in the search bar of Amazon, multipurpose logbook, and it showed me that 1 of 24 over 4000 results. But when I use the Xray feature from the Helium 10 Chrome extension, it showed me a lot of useful data. I actually use this one, Xray Amazon product search, and it gave me this data. I just copied this whole data and went to ChatGPT. Here, how is this niche? And then I pasted the data here and it gave me these initial score like 7 out of 10, 4 out of 10 as immediate publishing decision. Then I went ahead and I selected all these 53 listing on the first page. I went to export. I already downloaded this. Then I went back to ChatGPT and I uploaded that CSV file. Here it is. This first page data shows a lot of relevant data like publisher, like recent purchases, ASIN sales, title length, publication date, languages, book style. So based on this data of page 1, now that I have seen actual page 1 results, my opinion is much more positive. What I see, this is not a random mixed niche. It's basically customizable column logbooks. That was not basically a multi-purpose logbook. That was actually a customizable column logbooks. The top sellers are the variations of 4 column logbook, 5 column logbook, 6, 7, 8, and so on. So these were the variations of these customizable logbooks. And here it says the biggest green flag is the number 1 true organic result has revenue over 5,850 per month. This book is organically selling and it's making almost 6,000 per month. BSR is 9,535. It only has 27 reviews. That's exactly the type of result I look for. So you can see a book making decent money with under 30 reviews tells me Amazon is willing to rank newer products. It goes on. Another green flag is several winners have 0 reviews, 1 review, 2 reviews, 6 reviews, and still show sales. That's unusual. Normally on KDP page 1 you will see 100+ review monsters. It's giving very useful data based on the Helium 10 first page data. So what's really happening. It looks like one publisher discovered a winning format, large customizable logbooks with black columns, and then expanded into 4 column, 5 column, 6, 7 different cover colors. They are essentially dominating the niche through expansion. It also tells that what I would not to do. I would not publish multi-purpose logbook. So it's saying that you should avoid. Instead, what you can publish is small business logbook, because the listings repeatedly mention bookkeeping, accounting, inventory, orders, income, expenses. So based on that data, small business logbook can be a good idea. Then the next idea would be a reseller inventory logbook. It saw references to inventory, orders, bookkeeping, and could be interesting for eBay sellers, flea market sellers, Facebook market sellers. It also says mileage plus expense tracker. Based on these data, it gave this revised rating. Demand is 7 out of 10, competition 8 out of 10, review barrier is very low, 9 out of 10, revenue potential 7 out of 10, ease of entry 8 out of 10, overall 8 out of 10. It also shows the next step, what I would do if this were my account. I would spend another 15 minutes checking 7 column logbook, 6 column logbook, inventory logbook, small business logbook, expense tracking logbook, using the magnet and Xray. There is a good chance one of those has similar demand, even lower review count, less competition. Then I said, okay, now give me the first 3 ideas to enter this niche. It basically gave me these ideas: small business income and expense logbook, target customers, small business owners, side hustlers, market vendors, Etsy sellers, Facebook market sellers. Subtitle could be simple income, expenses, orders, inventory, and profit tracking. It also gives interior columns, dates, description, income, expense, profit, and notes. It also says why it likes. The page 1 books are very generic. This gives buyers a reason to choose your book. Score 9 out of 10. Idea 1 has 9 out of 10 according to ChatGPT. The other is inventory tracking logbook. Target customer, eBay sellers, Amazon sellers, resellers, small shops. The subtitle could be inventory, stock levels, purchases, sales, and reorder tracking. Column should be inside interior, item, SKU, quantity in, quantity out, balance, reorder point. Why I like it: inventory management is a clear problem. Customers know exactly why they need the book. 8.5 out of 10. Our next idea is Contractor Job Log Book. Target customer, electricians, plumbers, handymen, construction workers. Subtitle job tracking, materials, hours worked, and client records. Interior should include date, client, job description, materials, hours, amount due. And it says the buyer intent is strong. Contractors often prefer simple paper tracking system, much less generic than multi-purpose logbook. So 8 out of 10. The one I would publish first: small business income and expense logbook. This is the whole process I just used to find these 3 potentially winning niche ideas that I can publish on Amazon KDP and potentially get very good sales. So the idea is to not just publish a single book. The idea is to publish multiple related books to build a brand around a given niche. Like you can build a brand in this multi-purpose or customizable logbook niche. I found these ideas using the power of AI and Helium 10 Crebro tool. If you want to check out Helium 10, the link would be in the description. They are currently offering 35% off for the next 6 months. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.